Okay, we're going to do a song now by the Proclaimers, and it's a wee bit different. And the song's basically about people from all around the world who come to Scotland and help to shape Scotland's story, and it's still happening. And it's just called Scotland's Story.
You came to this land with nothing at all. In Scotland's story I read that they came, the Gael and the Pict, the Angle and Dane, and so did the Irishman, Jew and Ukraine. We're all Scotland's story and we're all worth the same. Joseph D'Angelo dreams of the days when Italian kids in the grass market played. They burned out his shop when the boys went to war, but now Joe's a big man and he forgave all. In Scotland's story I'm told that they came, the Gael and the Pict, the Angle and Dane, but where's all the Chinese and Indian names? They're in Ireland's story and they're all worth the same. Christina Mackay, I learned of your name, how you travelled south from Delhi one day. You raised a whole family in one room, they say, and the X on the line stands in place of your name. So in the old story I bet that we came, the Gael and the Pict, the Angle and Dane, and a poor migrant girl who could not write her name. It's a common old story and it's mine just the same. And through the story the immigrants came, the Gael and the Pict, the Angle and Dane, from Pakistan, England and from the Ukraine. We're all Scotland's story and we're all worth the same. Your Scotland's story is worth just the same. Your Scotland's story is worth just the same.